The federal government is looking into housing policies that are getting a lot of pushback.
Some warn it could put thousands of people, including Ohioans, at risk of losing their homes. Silver Barker sat down with the executive director of the Toledo-Lucas County Homelessness Board. She joins us now with what these proposed cuts could mean. Silver?
Jeff and Kaylee, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, is considering big changes to how it funds programs that help keep people housed. And county leaders say it could cause immediate issues if it's approved.
They're putting at risk a significant number of our citizens that are vulnerable, that are disabled, and that have severe and persistent mental health needs.
It's back to the drawing board for HUD. The government agency proposed a limit on how much money communities can use for long-term housing programs. Julie Embry with the Toledo-Lucas County Homelessness Board says the proposals could impact thousands of Ohioans who are on the border of homelessness. Here's a few of the changes HUD put out. Big cuts to long-term housing. Communities could only spend about 30% of federal funds on long-term housing, with more money going towards short-term, quick transitional housing. Second, people in transitional housing would have to meet work, training, or treatment rules to stay. And third, instead of being automatically renewed for more money, housing programs would have to reapply every year. But HUD pulled back the proposal because of lawsuits from nonprofits and county governments across the country. But Embry expects some sort of similar proposal to be put out again, likely sometime before the end of the year, which she says gives organizations little time to prepare.
What we're really asking is just they honor that second year instead of introducing a new competitive application with so many changes.
Embry says Lucas County is already overwhelmed and estimates more than 1,200 people are without stable housing, and shelters have been full all year.
Our first-time homelessness is up by over 50%. Over the last year, persons that are in shelter are staying twice as long, and we don't have affordable housing or opportunities to place them in the community, which is a well-known issue.
In Lucas County, Embry says about $3 million in housing projects could be at risk. She adds that could impact around 750 people, including children, and create a ripple effect for landlords, hospitals, and jails. In studio, Silver Barker, WTOL 11.